Hello, everyone, and this is Angela Skirtu with St. Louis Marriage Therapy. You can find me at www.therapistintstlouis.com. Today, I want to talk to you about an upcoming event called Sex, Wine, and Chocolate. In this event, I am going to talk about all the things sex-related that you have questions about. So one big feature of this event is that everybody gets a chance to ask me questions privately with index cards about all the things you want to learn about sexuality, sexual health, things you want to try with your partner, things for fun. This event is coming on March 31st. It is Thursday night from 6 to 8 p.m. at Faust Carousel House. And there will be wine, there'll be chocolate, there'll be nibbling foods for delicious goodness. And I will also just do a speech of basic sexual health information. This event is for couples, and it is $20 per person. So please visit me at www.therapistintstlouis.com. You can purchase tickets there, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.